Today, let's talk about aerial photos and drone craziness. So prior to drones, I actually shot tens of thousands of photos hanging out the side of a Cessna 172, primarily taking photos of large acreage and waterfront properties, farms, large properties. So along came 2013, and I adopted the drone. I was the first one in PEI using drones for photography. So this was this is a national magazine. It's called REM, Real Estate. I don't know what's REM stand for. Real Estate Magazine. Anyway, so it was in REM, and all of a sudden I get calls from all over Canada from agents wanting to do drone photography. Now here's the thing to keep in mind with any type of photography. We only put pictures in the listing that sell the property. We don't need 28 pictures of the decaying roof and another 10 pictures of the chimney that needs replacing, or a picture of a house in downtown Charlottetown showing 250 other houses you're surrounded with. We need drone photography whenever it's applicable. One of the major mistakes I see that will keep your property from selling is drone photos with pictures of farmers' fields. Google Walkerton. I believe there's an entry on Wikipedia. Basically, the water tower got contaminated from farmers' fields, or the water supply got contaminated from farmers' fields, and a lot of people got sick. And that's what people think about when they're looking at these photos, particularly from off-island, particularly from Ontario, which is where 95% of our buyers are coming from. They're thinking, my kids are going to get sprayed with chemicals, the water's going to be contaminated, I'm going to be growing a third head. Do not use drone photos with farmers' fields in them. That's the first thing I delete. And again, inevitably that property will probably sell quicker. Have a great day. Thanks for watching my video, my channel. Be sure to hit the subscribe button below and press on the little bell symbol. Thanks.